Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to find nutrition and health information using the Tennessee Electronic Library. The first step is when you open up your web browser, you'll go to your main search box and type in tntel.info. Press enter and the home page to the Tennessee Electronic Library should load. The next step is you're going to select all resources from the main topic bar. Here you'll find different search filters, and today we're going to select the resource category. So click on the arrows and you can scroll all the way down to the word health. When you've selected your category, you can come over to the Find a Database option and click it. And here you will find several different databases relating to health and nutrition. Another way to access this information is to go back to the home page, and a simple way of doing this is to select the big bold letters Tennessee Electronic Library at the top of the page. Refer back to your main topic bar, but this time select General Public. Here you'll find different pictures displaying a multitude of topics to select from. And today, since we are looking for health and nutrition information, we will pick the picture of health. And here again, it will take you to the same databases that we found in our first search. I hope this helps. Thank you.